Brooks is a city in southeast Alberta, Canada, surrounded by the County of Newell. It is located on Highway 1 and the Canadian Pacific Railway, approximately 186 kilometers southeast of Calgary, and 110 kilometers northwest of Medicine Hat. The city has an elevation of 760 meters. History. The area that is now Brooks was originally used as a bison hunting ground for the Blackfoot and Crow. After Treaty 7 was signed in 1877, homesteaders moved into the area to begin farming. Before 1904, the area still did not have a name. Through Postmaster General-sponsored contest, the area was named after Newell.It. Brooks, a Canadian Pacific Railway divisional engineer from Calgary. Brooks incorporated as a village on July 14, 1910, and then as a town on September 8, 1911. Its population in the 1911 census of Canada was 486. In the 1996 census, the population of Brooks reached 10,093, making it eligible for city status. Brooks incorporated as a city on September 1, 2005, when its official population was 11,604. In 2010, Brooks celebrated its centennial as a municipality since originally incorporating as a village in 1910. Geography. Brooks is located in the grassland natural region of Alberta. The area surrounding Brooks is dry mixed grass, short grass prairie. Climate. Located in the steppe region known as the Palizes Triangle, Brooks has a semi-arid climate. Winters are dry and cold, with little snowfall compared to the rest of Canada. Chinook winds, though less common than in areas west and especially southwest of Brooks, are not uncommon, and ameliorate the cold winter temperatures temporarily when they pass over. Wide diurnal temperature ranges are regular due to the aridity and moderately high elevation. Low humidity is prevalent throughout the year. Most of the relatively scant annual precipitation occurs in late spring and summer, often in the form of thunderstorms. On average, the coldest month is January, with a mean temperature of -11.3 degrees Celsius, while the warmest is July, with a mean temperature of 18.3 degrees Celsius. The driest month is February, with an average monthly precipitation of 12.2 millimeters, while the wettest month is June, with an average of 58.8 millimeters. Annual precipitation is low, with an average of 348 millimeters. Demographics. The population of the city of Brooks according to its 2015 municipal census is 14,185. A 7,440,000,000 spade suit, 4.4% change from its 2007 municipal census population of 13,581. In the 2011 census, the city of Brooks had a population of 13,676, living in 5,037 of its 5,509 total dwellings, a 9.3% change from its 2006 adjusted population of 12,508. With a land area of 18.19 square kilometers, it had a population density of 751.8 per square kilometers in 2011. In 2006, Brooks had a population of 12,498, living in 5,051 dwellings, a 7.7% increase from 2001. The city has a land area of 17.70 square kilometers and a population density of 706.0 per square kilometers. A multicultural community, Brooks has been referred to as the City of 100 Hellos, as a result of a documentary by Brandy Yanchik profiling the community's significant immigrant, refugee and temporary foreign worker populations. The documentary was called called Brooks, the City of 100 Hellos, and was created in 2010 for Omni Television. The community's multicultural character was also the subject of a 2007 National Film Board of Canada documentary, 24 Days in Brooks, directed by Dana Inkster. Economy. The base of the economy of the City of Brooks is energy and agriculture, with other sectors including metal manufacturing, food processing and construction. It is also a retail and service center for the surrounding area. Canada's second-largest beef processing facility, owned by JBS Canada, is located in Brooks and ships meat across the country and internationally. In 2012, while the plant was owned by Excel Foods, it released meat contaminated with E. coli and was shut down for a month. The plant has over 2,000 employees. Arts and culture. Brooks has won the Communities in Bloom competition 4 times in a row. Brooks has won Tidiness and Community Involvement Awards at a national level. The Brooks Public Library, with a collection of over 50,000 items, serves both the City of Brooks and the County of Newell. Attractions. The Lakeside Leisure Center is the area's main recreation center. It includes one arena, a curling rink, an aquatic center with a waterslide and wave pool, a gymnasium, a fitness center, and multi-purpose rooms. The complex was renovated in 2005. In 2010, the Duke of Sutherland Park was redeveloped. It features baseball diamonds, a soccer field, a playground and a 3,200 feet squared water park with spray features for toddlers and a play structure for older children. Also in 2010, the Centennial Regional Arena was completed after nearly a decade of planning and 18 months of construction. The multi-purpose facility seats 1,704 people. It includes corporate boxes, a running track, concessions, and a 200 feet times 85 feet surface. The arena is home to several user groups, including the Brooks Bandits. There are 3 provincial parks in the area. Dinosaur Provincial Park, a World Heritage Site, to the northeast, Tillabrook Provincial Park to the east, and Kinbrook Island Provincial Park to the south. In addition, there are several other recreational sites in the area, including the Rolling Hills Reservoir, Crawling Valley Reservoir, and Emerson Bridge. The Brooks Aqueduct southeast of Brooks was built to transport irrigation water across the Eastern Irrigation District. It spans across a 3.2 km valley, about 20 meters above the ground. Sports. Brooks is home to the Brooks Bandits of the Alberta Junior Hockey League. The team was awarded to Brooks in 1998 and embarked on its first season in 2000. The Bandits won the league championship in 2012 and 2013. After repeating as league champions, the team went on to win its first Royal Bank Cup championship in 2013. There are 2 football teams in Brooks, the Roadrunners and the Buffaloes. The teams comprise players from the local junior and senior high schools respectively. The Buffaloes represented Brooks at provincial championships in 1989, 1995, 1997, and 2009, winning in the title in its last 3 appearances. The Roadrunners appeared at provincial championships in 1995, 2004, and 2007. Brooks is also home to a Western Major Baseball League franchise named the Brooks Bombers. They will begin play in May 2016 at Elks Field in the Quad Ball Diamond Complex. Government. Brooks City Council consists of 1 mayor and 6 councillors. The last election was held in October 2013. A by-election for mayor and 1 city council post was held in January 2015. Mayor Barry Morishita, Martin Shields, Fred Rattay, Councillor Kathy Corbett-Shock, Councillor Norman Gerasine, Councillor Dan Klein, Councillor Dennis Seibel, Barry Morishita, Councillor Bill Prentice, Councillor Fred D. Rattay. Education. Brooks has 2 high schools, 2 junior high schools, 3 elementary schools, 2 primary schools, and 2 alternative schools. Another elementary school is being built in the Upland area, and will be completed around 2015. The schools are operated by Grasslands Public Schools and Christ the Redeemer School Division. Brooks also has a satellite campus of Medicine Hat College. Health care. Acute medical care is provided at the Brooks Health Center. Media. Brooks is served by 2 radio stations, CIBQ-FM and CIXF-FM. Both stations are owned by Newcap Broadcasting. Brooks has 2 distinct newspapers. The Brooks Bulletin is published every Tuesday, and has served Brooks and the County of Newell since 1910. It has a weekly circulation of 4,332 and is a paid subscription product. The Weekend Regional is a second paper. The Bulletin established in 2004 and it is published on Fridays. As of January 2010, it became a total market coverage product with a weekly circulation of 11,235. Notable people: Sherry Ford, TSN Toronto reporter; Ryan Peake, lead guitarist of Nickelback; Sherain Sham, Olympic fencer; Monty Solberg, former federal cabinet minister, current political columnist for Sun Media.